Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Do you like plants?
Yeah, I like plants because of it helps to make our environment clean and it's give us fresh air and I like to planting trees a lot. That's why I like plants.
What sort of plants have you grown?
I have grown different type of plants like flowers. I really like flowers and they smell good and I have grown different type of flowers like red rose and it smells good to my house and whenever I smell and it's really make me feel relaxed
Why do people like plants in their homes?
because of they because of they do planting in their home because of they wanna decorate their home to with the plants and it's looks more beautiful with the plants like flowers or something else like whichever you want.
Would you ever give a plant as a gift?
Not yet, but in future, because of the pollution is increasing, air pollution is increasing, and that's why I would like to give a gift. I would like to give a gift, a plant, to a symbol of a growing tree and safe our environment to the pollution.
Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a plant, flower, or a tree that you like. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I like different type of plants like rose and long trees which give us a shade. There are different reason behind it why I like these plants. Why I like rose because of rose give us a good smell and it's a really unique it's a really unique smell which using in a perfume for for giving the perfume good smell and on the other hand I like long trees which give us shades where can people sit and enjoy the environment around it and on the other hand I like fruits trees which give us a fruit and I have grown many plants in my lands which give us a different type of fruits like strawberry apples and mangoes. The plants which I like in fruits I like the mango plant because in summer it's give us a really tasty mango food and there are these type of plants I like.
Alright, thank you. Can I have the topic, please? Let's move on with speaking part 3. Is it common for people to have gardens where you live?
Yeah, I live in a countryside area. There's the place where I live. The people there are many people have garden around where they live, and it's really common in my area.
Do you think it is important to have gardens or parks in our cities?
Yeah, it's really important to because of in a modern time everything is constructed with the different type of things which do not belong to natural nature and that's the thing we need to make a plants we need to make a garden or parks to feel our natural environment.
Okay, what are the benefits of spending time in gardens or parks?
First of all, spending time in a garden or park, it's make you feel good, and the fresh air in the garden or park, and it's help to make you feel relaxed and there is the park and garden is the one of the best place to spend your leisure time.
Alright, thank you. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Overall, it's good. You understand the questions, but when you answer, there are grammatical mistakes, and these mistakes are quite frequent. But the thing is, you speak fluently, so you'll get good there. And then the other thing is, you speak clearly. So in pronunciation, it is fine. Two main issues. One is with grammar, and second with vocabulary. You tend to repeat very limited words time and again. So you should come up with new words and try to use a variety of structures. But at the present time, your sentences are grammatically wrong, which you really need to consider.
Alright.
Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 5.5.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay?